Hello everyone and Assalamu alaikum. This is me Khalid Zaman. Hope you are doing great. Today we'll learn some important organization of Asia. So let's dive. At first we have GCC. The meaning of GCC is Gulf, G for Gulf, C for Cooperation, and C for Council. Gulf Cooperation Council. So the headquarters of GCC is Riyadh, Saudi Arabia. Riyadh, Saudi Arabia. After that, we have IORA. The meaning of IORA is Indian Ocean Rim Association. So Indian Ocean Rim Association. So the headquarters of IORA is Ibn Mauritius. Ibn Mauritius. Then we have OIC. The full meaning of OIC is Organization of Islamic Cooperation. Organization of Islamic Cooperation. The headquarters of OIC is Jeddah, Saudi Arabia. Jeddah, KSA. Then we have ASEAN. ASEAN. So the full meaning of ASEAN is Association of Southeast Asian Nations. Association of Southeast Asian Nations. The last one is SAARC. SAARC. It means South Asian Association for Regional Cooperation. South Asian Association for Regional Cooperation. Headquarters is Nepal, Kathmandu. Nepal, Kathmandu. So that's all for today. Hope you enjoyed it. I'll be back soon. Till then, Assalamu alaikum.